Have you ever wondered if we are alone in this vast universe? What if we're not? Today, we explore the enigmatic world of alien encounters, an intriguing mystery that has seeped into every corner of our world, sparking both curiosity and fear. From the eerie silhouettes in the night sky to the inexplicable phenomena on Earth, these encounters have been whispered about, reported, and pondered upon. Let's delve into the history of these encounters that have left a mark on human consciousness. The year is 1947. A small town in New Mexico becomes the epicenter of the world's most famous alien encounter. Nestled in the heart of the desert, Roswell was an unassuming backdrop for such a monumental event. A local rancher discovered a field littered with inexplicable debris, fragments of metal that refused to break, burn, or even bend. Soon the military swooped in, gathering every last piece and promptly declaring it the remnants of a crashed weather balloon. But the townsfolk knew better. Eyewitness accounts told of strange symbols embossed on the debris, a material unlike anything they'd ever seen. Whispers of bodies, not human but not quite animal either, seeped into the narrative. The military's hasty cleanup and dismissive explanation only fanned the flames of suspicion. Some called it a conspiracy, others the first tangible encounter with beings from beyond our world. A weather balloon or the first documented evidence of extraterrestrial life? The debate rages on. Fast forward to 1997, when the skies of Arizona lit up with an unexplainable formation of lights. This spectacle, known as the Phoenix Lights, was a sight that left thousands of people in awe and bewilderment. Imagine gazing up at the night sky and witnessing a massive V-shaped object, with lights of varying intensity gliding silently overhead. This wasn't a fleeting moment. The object lingered, affording many the opportunity to observe it. The sheer number of eyewitnesses added weight to this otherworldly encounter. Yet the official explanation was far from satisfying. The government chalked it up to military flares dropped during a training exercise, but many weren't convinced. They questioned, how could flares hover in a distinct formation for such a prolonged period? No concrete evidence has surfaced to fully explain this event, leaving the Phoenix Lights shrouded in mystery. A military exercise or a visitation from another world, the Phoenix Lights remain a mystery. In the late 1980s, Belgium became the stage for a series of sightings that would come to be known as the Belgium Wave. It was an event that gripped the nation, as countless individuals reported witnessing UFOs of triangular formation illuminating the night sky. These weren't isolated incidents reported by a few, but rather, it was a phenomenon that was collectively experienced by thousands. But what truly set the Belgium Wave apart from other encounters was the active involvement of the Belgian Air Force. In an unprecedented move, they launched an official investigation, resulting in high-quality radar and photo evidence that substantiated these sightings. Images of the elusive triangular crafts were captured, and radar returns confirmed their existence and movements. Yet despite the abundance of evidence and the seriousness with which it was taken by the authorities, no definitive explanation has been given. The Belgium Wave thus remains one of the most compelling and unexplained encounters. From a forest in England to the skies above the Pacific Ocean, our final encounters come from the military itself. The Rendlesham Forest incident, often referred to as Britain's Roswell, took place in December 1980. Military personnel from the nearby RAF Bentwaters reported strange lights descending into the forest. Upon investigating, they found unusually high radiation levels and indentations in the ground, suggesting a possible landing. Physical evidence, coupled with the testimony of trained military observers, gives this incident a unique credibility. On the other side of the globe, we encounter the Tic Tac UFO, an unexplained object witnessed by United States Navy pilots in 2004. Named for its peculiar shape, the Tic Tac UFO was captured on video moving with unprecedented speed and maneuverability, defying our current understanding of physics. The pilots who witnessed this encounter have consistently maintained their story, adding further intrigue to this baffling incident. In both cases, we have credible witnesses from the military, physical evidence, and in the case of the Tic Tac, even a video. These are not stories from fringe conspiracy theorists, but accounts from trained professionals who had everything to lose and nothing to gain by coming forward. With encounters like these, the question remains, are we truly alone? Or is there something out there in the vast expanse of space?